P2, how to find out P2? P2 find out just by observation. Just by observation. These are the 4 rules we'll follow. Okay. Now with these rules, now you find out what is the degree of freedom of these mechanisms. Just you do it. And what is the mechanisms? How many? First you find out the how many links are there. How many links? And you will find out that one link is fixed. To be a mechanism, one link is fixed. How many links? Can anybody tell? Just you count it and you tell me. Let me see. Your counting is okay or not. Achha, how many binary joints? Let us see. How many binary joints? NB. How many binary joints? He has told 6. It is not a 6. अच्छा joint गुलो नाम देवा जाए. First है, so this is the link 1. This is the link 2. This is the link 3. This is link 4. And this is link 5. This is link 6. This is link 7. This is link 8. And this is link 9. This is link 10. 1, 10. 10. And this is another link is there. Which one? This is another link. Which one? Huh? Yes, exactly. Ground. So this is 11. This is also 11. Ground is 1. 11 links. So first, because in your question paper they will not give them as a marking. First I have to give the marking. They will give the simply bare diagrams, and you will find out. They will ask to find out the degree of freedom. So okay. Now ground is also a link. Now you say how many? So total link I have found out. Total link is 11. Because ground is another link. But how many binary links? Can now find out? Can anybody tell how many binary links? They have told 6. 8 na. Kon? KK. You tell me from here. 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 10, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. So 6. Then another arekta binary link আছে. There is another. Huh? No is কোনটা? Which one? কেন 14 কেন হয়? Binary link joint এর কথা বলছি না. Now I am not asking the binary link. Which is the binary link? 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10. These are all right. Another link is there. 1. Link number 1. Link number is on 1 is on 8. Link number 11. Sorry. Link number 11. Link number 11. That is the ground. Ground is also the binary link here. Why? Ground is also binary link? If you see the ground, গ্রাউন্ডের একদিকে কে লাগানো আছে? কি কোন লিংক আছে? একদিকে in one side কোন লিংক আছে? গ্রাউন্ডের এক সাইডে which link? 1. And another side 9. So which type of link? So this is the 11, link 11. This is a separate, but actually this is the common. Ground is common. So in 11, in one side is one link 1 and another side is link 9. So ground is a binary link. Okay? You agree? No. Length is not a binary link because it's how many? The 3 points are there. This connection. Now, one এর সঙ্গে কে কানেক্ট আছে? 1 এর সঙ্গে 11 কানেক্টেড, 1 এর সঙ্গে 10 কানেক্টেড, 1 এর সঙ্গে 3 কানেক্টেড, 1 এর সঙ্গে 2 কানেক্টেড। তাই না? 1 এর সঙ্গে 11 কানেক্টেড, 1 এর সঙ্গে 10 কানেক্টেড, 1 এর সঙ্গে 3 also connected, 1 এর সঙ্গে 2 also connected. তাই না? তাই তো? 1 এর সঙ্গে অনেকগুলো কানেক্টেড আছে। These are many are connected. But binary link you see, যেমন 10 is a binary link, দুটো এন্ডে কানেকশন করা আছে, অনলি দুটো এন্ডে কানেকশন করা আছে। হ্যাঁ, টার্নারি লিঙ্ক, এক্স্যাক্টলি। এক নম্বরটা টার্নারি লিঙ্ক, বিকজ তিনটে এন্ডে কানেকশন করা আছে। দিস ইজ দ্য টার্নারি লিঙ্ক। সো বাইনারি লিঙ্ক হলো, এবার টার্নারি লিঙ্ক কটা হবে? সো বাইনারি লিঙ্ক ইজ 7. So binary link is 7. 2, 3, 10, 7, 8, 6, 7. What is the ternary links? How many ternary links? How many ternary links? 1 or 5. Very good. 1 or 5. So this is the 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is the ternary link. That is the 2. 1 and 5. That is the 2. And quaternary links? Quaternary link means 4 are 4 and 9, 4 and 9, 4 and 9, 2. তাহলে টোটালি 11 মিলে যাচ্ছে, তাই তো? তো 7টা বাইনারি লিঙ্কস, দুটো টার্নারি লিঙ্কস and দুটো কোয়াটার্নারি লিঙ্কস হয়ে গেল। তো n we have found out, n is 11. Okay. Now is there any p2 is there? Any higher pair is there? First, then you have to see, is there any higher pair is there? Huh? No. Then means P2 is equal to 0. So here P2 equal to 0. So because by observation we do not find, that is all are turning pair. This is the turning pair joints. No point contact is there. No higher pair is there. P2 equal to 0. Now I have told there are two methods to find out the P1. One is the loop method. Another is by counting the joints. The loop method is easy. Directly, very fast you can find out. Then you find out how many loops are there. Loops, how many loops are there? 4. No, 4, not 4. How many loops are there? Loops 5, because this is the one loop, 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 and this is the one loop. Isn't? এই লুপটা হবে না। আবার কেউ যদি বলে এই বাইরে this is another loop, then no, because one already you have taken, মানে ground to ground we have taken this loops, and এই দিকটা থেকে আকাশের দিকে in the sky you cannot take another loop, so this loop will not be there. So 1 2 3 1 3 4 5, so loop is 5. Then what is the formula? By using p is equal to n plus n minus 1, তাহলে loop, তাহলে p1 কত আসছে? By this formula n plus n minus 1, 11 আর 5 16 minus 15, so p1 is the 15. Now by joining you count a is what type of joint. So let us see. So there is another method. Let me find out that the binary joint 15 is matching or not. So okay, now you count it. A is what? Let me write it here. Then A is what type of joint? A is what type of joint? A is G H এখন আমি সবগুলোর নাম দিয়ে দিই, GHIJKLM. A is a binary joint 1. B টা কি জয়েন্ট, B তে কি কানেক্ট আছে 1 and 2, B তে হুইচ binary joint. C is ternary 1, 10 and 3, that means 2. D is who's connect, D is what, D is কে কানেক্ট আছে 2 and 4 binary. E তে also binary because in E 3 and 4, okay, binary. E. F 4 and 6 binary. G তে who is connected 4 and 5, this is also binary, 4 5. G for H is 5 and 8 binary. GH. I is also binary because 5 or 7 connected, binary. J 6, 7 and 9 ternary, I mean 2. J. Then H, acha I G H I J. But K is 9 and 8 binary. K. L is also binary 11 and 9 binary. M 9 and 10 binary.